What's up, everyone? It's your boy Butch from Imperial Auto. Today is another blessed day, and lucky to say that I'm so blessed. As you see, the project is never finished. Why? Because there's still a lot of things that has to be done. So for a lot of you that want to open a body shop, sure, anybody can do it. It just doesn't. Do you have what it takes to do it? And this is year number 2 at this location. And non-stop work. Besides the vacations, of course. But as you see, we tore up the front fascia, which is the front, the storefront, which we had like a little small section of glass. Now what we're doing is like we're making the whole entire area which is like glass, so it look like super cool. You can look at Ferrari, maybe something similar, but mine is like more badass. This right there, we finally poured the concrete. What we're gonna do there is like we're gonna put like about 3-4 lifts, the frame machine and the anchor for the pool. So that way, that will be the body shop. This section over here is gonna be mainly the showroom or the showcase of our vehicles. And then of course we got the Imperial Auto styling, and then past that will be our mechanical work, performance work, and then past that it will be the refinishing part. So everybody's like separate and from each other. I can give you a tour if you guys want to.